Hello guys, today I will show you a full guide on how to connect to DartCounter in 2025. Let's find out. Make sure to watch the full video to get all the information. First of all, head over to the DartCounter website or download the app from your device's store. It's available on both iOS and Android. Next, sign up for a free account. You'll just need an email and a password. Nothing too complicated. Then once you're logged in, you can personalize your profile. Add your name, choose your avatar, and you're good to go. After that, it's time to set up your first match. You can practice solo, play against a bot, or challenge your friends online. DartCounter will track all your scores automatically. And finally, if you're using a smart dartboard or camera setup, go to the settings and connect your device. This makes scoring hands-free and even more accurate. That's it. In just a few steps, you're connected and ready to start tracking your games like a pro.